The digital age has ushered in unprecedented technological advancements, transforming our lives in profound ways. From the way we communicate to how we work and entertain ourselves, technology is at the core of our daily existence. We generate vast amounts of data every day. Every click, every search, and every online interaction contributes to a growing digital footprint. This data is a double-edged sword. It fuels innovation, driving advancements in various fields such as healthcare, education, and transportation. However, it also poses significant risks to our privacy. Privacy is essential for human dignity. It fosters autonomy and protects us from unwanted intrusion. Without privacy, our personal space and freedom to think and act independently are compromised. The proliferation of artificial intelligence adds another layer of complexity. AI systems thrive on data, analyzing vast amounts of information to learn and adapt. They analyze patterns to make predictions about our behavior, preferences, and even our identities. This capability can be incredibly powerful, but it also raises ethical and privacy concerns. While this can lead to benefits like personalized experiences and efficient services, it also raises concerns about how our data is collected, used, and protected. The potential for misuse or unauthorized access to our personal information is a growing worry. The balance between harnessing the power of AI and safeguarding privacy is delicate. As we move forward, it is crucial to develop frameworks and regulations that protect our privacy while allowing technological innovation to flourish. The privacy paradox refers to the disconnect between our concerns about privacy and our actual behavior. Despite expressing significant worries about data collection and surveillance, our actions often tell a different story. We express concern about data collection but often freely share personal information online. This includes posting on social media, using location-based services, and accepting app permissions without a second thought. Statistics paint a clear picture. A 2023 study revealed that 80% of individuals are concerned about how companies use their data. Yet this concern doesn't always translate into cautious behavior. However, over 60% of these same individuals rarely or never read privacy policies. This indicates a significant gap between awareness and action. This paradox highlights the need for greater awareness in user-friendly privacy controls. Educational initiatives and clearer communication can help bridge this gap. We need to understand the implications of our digital footprint. Every action we take online leaves a trace, which can be used in ways we might not anticipate. Companies also have a responsibility to make privacy policies accessible and understandable. By doing so, they can help users make informed decisions about their data. Security and privacy are often discussed in tandem, and for good reason. They are interconnected concepts that reinforce each other. Security measures such as encryption and access controls protect data from unauthorized access and breaches. These measures are essential for safeguarding privacy. However, privacy encompasses more than just data security. It is about our right to control our personal information. This includes how it is collected, used, and shared. A robust security infrastructure is necessary but not sufficient for ensuring privacy. We need clear policies and ethical frameworks that govern the use of our data. AI's impact on privacy is multifaceted. On one hand, AI can be used to enhance privacy. For example, AI-powered tools can help anonymize data sets and detect potential privacy violations. On the other hand, AI presents unique challenges to privacy. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of data, including sensitive personal information. This raises concerns about data breaches and misuse. Moreover, AI's ability to analyze and infer information from seemingly innocuous data can lead to unexpected privacy intrusions. The opaque nature of some AI algorithms further complicates matters, making it difficult to understand how our data is being used. Section 5: AI's privacy challenges, from data mining to surveillance. AI technologies pose several specific challenges to privacy. Data mining techniques allow companies to extract valuable insights from large data sets. While this can be used for legitimate purposes, It also enables the creation of detailed profiles about individuals, potentially revealing sensitive information. Facial recognition technology, powered by AI, is increasingly deployed for surveillance purposes. This raises concerns about mass surveillance and the erosion of anonymity in public spaces. The potential for bias in AI algorithms is another concern, as biased AI systems can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal inequalities. Section 6. Privacy-enhancing technologies. Safeguarding our data. Fortunately, alongside these challenges, there are also technological solutions emerging to enhance privacy in the age of AI. Privacy-enhancing technologies, or PETs, are designed to protect our data while still allowing for its use. One example is differential privacy, a technique that adds noise to datasets to protect individual privacy while preserving the overall statistical properties of the data. Another promising PET is homomorphic encryption, which allows computations to be performed on encrypted data without ever decrypting it, ensuring data confidentiality. Section 7. Regulatory frameworks, navigating the legal landscape of privacy. In addition to technological solutions, robust regulatory frameworks are crucial for protecting privacy in the age of AI. These frameworks ensure that personal data is handled responsibly and ethically, providing a safety net for individuals. The General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR in Europe, is a prime example of such a framework. Enforced since 2018, the GDPR has set a high standard for data protection worldwide. The GDPR establishes strong data protection rights for individuals, including the right to access, correct, and delete their personal data. It empowers users to have greater control over their information. It also places limitations on how companies can collect and use personal data, requiring them to obtain explicit consent from individuals. This consent must be informed, specific, and freely given, ensuring transparency in data practices. Similar regulations are emerging in other parts of the world, reflecting the growing global recognition of privacy as a fundamental right. Countries are increasingly adopting comprehensive data protection laws to safeguard their citizens' privacy in the digital age. Section 8. Conclusion, privacy, dignity, and the future of humanity. In conclusion, the rapid advancement of AI technologies presents both opportunities and challenges to privacy. While AI can bring about significant societal benefits, it is essential that we address the privacy implications proactively. Preserving privacy is not just about protecting our data, it is about protecting our dignity, autonomy, and freedom. By promoting greater awareness, developing and deploying privacy-enhancing technologies, and establishing robust regulatory frameworks, we can navigate the complex landscape of AI while safeguarding the fundamental human right to privacy.